Hello, my name is Spencer. I'm with Dustless Technologies. We are a family-owned company. We manufacture vacuums. We manufacture wet-dry vacuums and dustless shrouds for tools to collect dust. We wanted to be able to do our part in the epidemic that's going on right now. And we had many different people coming to the community saying, "You're a manufacturer. How can you help?" And we kind of brainstormed together, and we're like, "We don't know how we can help." And then one employee here, he suggested, "You have this great product. You have a micro pre-filter bag that filters down to 0.5 microns. So we manufacture and make these micro pre-filter bags. These go on the inside of a vacuum, and they're used for silica dust, they're used for concrete dust, they're used for drywall dust, all these fine particles." And we said, how can we repurpose this bag to be able to be used in what a lot of the people are doing around the world to try to help the situation? And so we started coming up with ideas, and we said, well, we can make masks. We can sew masks out of this material. We even tried 3D printing different masks. We had the media sent off, and it came back, and it was 97% efficient at 0.3 microns. We said, this is awesome. Like this is amazing. So we took the media, and we started sewing it into little squares. And these little squares fit inside of this mask. So it's been a transition with our business as we've had to change our manufacturing process from selling high efficiency filter bags, they're wonder bags is what they're called, to be able to be used in some of the masks that these thousands of community members are donating to all these people around the world and all these people in communities across the country to be able to help this pandemic. We're excited about this process. We're going to be showing you through the next few posts of how we're going to be helping to try to keep people safe.